Hey guys, so today we are playing Modern Ops again, because it's honestly really fun. So, yeah. Oh. Is this a new map? Well guys, I think this is a new map, so let's see how it is. So far, enemies are coming in like all ways, and I'm kind of confused.
If you're just gonna stand there, you'll die!
Another one.
Alright, so I kind of gotta lock in now.
Tactical nuke incoming! Another one.
Alright, so my teammate really just doesn't think he should help me. Well, that's...
Another one.
So, we're losing. Clearly, because I'm not really doing anything. Okay, we're winning now.
Another one.
Alright guys, but in the comments, tell me what an whatever gun I'm using sounds like for you, and depending, I may switch it to the sound of the gun shooting every time I shoot.
Another one.
Out soon enough. Headshot.
Another one. Another one. Oh no! Oh no! Another one.
So I may have just been the reason why my team lost. Thanks for watching. Come back in the next video to see what happens. Thanks for watching.